So once you have your extracted data inside of DocuClipper and you're ready to categorize, you may also want to set up your categories. So you can do that here. So this is all based on your personal needs or the needs of your clients. For example, I take a lot of Ubers, so I've set up Uber to have keywords so that this will naturally flow over into that and I can measure that spending. You can add a new category. Let's do fitness. We'll add that as a category, but I could add keywords like Planet Fitness. I could add Gold's Gym. You can begin to identify certain keywords and have those keywords flow into your categories. So once you've done that, you can categorize all of your accounts, or you can choose to drop down and only categorize specific accounts. Well, let's go ahead and categorize all of the accounts. You may need to manually categorize as well. So, for example, eating at Carrabba's, that can be considered eating out or dining out. So that's a manual categorization. And if for any reason you don't enjoy the way you've categorized, we can reset categories. It'll take us all the way back to the beginning, and you can choose to categorize again. Now, once you're happy with your categorization, you can download your data, and you can choose what format you want to export that into. But I'm just going to download all columns. And you will note that because I had multiple accounts in this extraction, this downloads as a zip file.